So we're out here today at Genesis Performance, bruv. And they've been kind enough to show me a few of the 1JZ builds that they're working on. You get me? Bruv, these are the guys for JZXs. I'm not sure if there are any other garages that do JZX stuff the same way Genesis Performance does. If there are, hit me up. Let me see what you got. Let me come down to your workshop. Let's film some things. Hit me up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bruv, reached out to them and I was like, boys, I need to come and film some JZX stuff. So they were like, yo, come down, I'll show you what we got. I was like, cool, let's do it. So big boss is Brad himself. And this is his 1JZ Hilux just here. And this is a customer's car, a 1JZ JZX100 Chaser. And then over here we have a 1JZ JZX1, actually this is a 1.5JZ JZX100 Mark II, bruv. Yeah, I'll give you a rundown for each of them. But first, let's start with the Hilux over here, you get me? So this Hilux here has a non-VVTi 1JZ GTE engine. You know what I'm saying? But it's being converted to a single turbo. This engine would have probably come out of a JZX90 or something like that. So being converted to single turbo just here. Just any sort of non-branded turbo, single scroll. Yeah, it's done the job. This makes about 280 kilowatts at the wheels, which I'll put up on screen what that is in brake horsepower. But yeah, Brad's had this car for a super long time. It's like his baby. This is his baby. He's been building it for a while. Utes are not really my thing, but this is cool, especially the engine makes it cool, you get me? So it's running on some raised wheels. Some of the eagle-eyed out there might have realized that these wheels actually came on the blue JZX100 Kazama Auto Tokyo Auto Salon Chaser that was imported back into New Zealand, I think in 2018 it was. Yeah, so these wheels actually came off that, and now they're on the Hilux, the 1JZ Hilux. So he's repainted it, this, what's this called, like a Battle Axe brown. So he got a whole new fuel system in the back as well. Tubs everywhere. Yeah, bruv, it's nice. Like I said, I don't know much about utes. Please correct me if I'm wrong on anything. Yeah, this is his little baby. He just drives it around, does his thing. And it's nice, bruv. It's cool that it's got a 1J in it. That's pretty cool, you get me? This is the JZX100 Chaser with a fully forged 1JZ GTE VVTi engine running a 3582 Garrett turbo just there. Look at that, bro. This thing is beautiful, fam. Beautiful. The whole car has been resprayed. Well, no, sorry, the engine bay has been resprayed into a grey color, and the car is 6 and 9 with these nice big boy wheels on it. So we got a Plaza Man intercooler at the front there. Nice coil rad radiator. Still has the AC just there. You can see the plumbing and the lines and everything. Then it has a oil cooler on the right hand side. And yeah, bruv, it's nice. It's got these new, what is called that, the Wiggins clamps also. They're real nice. So basically, hose will never pop off. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so this car was recently tuned and it made 510 kilowatts at the rear wheels for a 1J, bruv. Can you imagine? For a 1J. Let me just. Can you imagine, fam? For a 1J, bruv, you're putting out that much power on pump gas, on 98, bruv. Not even ethanol, 98. The engine flows so good that, like, the turbo is what gave out first. The turbo needs to put a bigger turbo on to have more power. So it currently has two tunes. One is 350 kilowatts, which is low boost, and a high boost is 510 kilowatts at the rear wheels. I'll make sure to put it on screen, whatever brake horsepower that is. But that's mad, bruv. For a 1J, that's crazy, bruv. Still 2.5 litre, just forged, fully forged. Yeah, crazy, fam. The car still has full interior. It's all road legal. Yeah, still has full interior, all road legal. Has a Haltech dash just put in there, which is really, really nice. It actually sits right in the factory cluster just there. So, well, I guess the factory surround. So it looks real nice, looks real nice and clean. This is a Tourer V, hence why it has the swing vent just there. Focus, focus, nice. And yeah, full front and rear seat. This is not a drift car, it's a street car. And yeah, bruv, can you imagine those power levels? That's crazy. But the best part about this car is this license plate, bruv. So like I was saying in my last video, you can get these Japanese style license plates in New Zealand, which are all legal. So it's Japan at the top. 337 to denote that it has higher than a 2-litre engine, and a 1 tough JZ. And to be putting out this much power is definitely a tough JZ, bruv. Nice Series 1 taillights, because the car is Series 1. And yeah, bruv, beautiful car. I do like the little stock spoiler. I got that on my car in Japan. Yeah, bruv, banging. So sick, fam. So sick. And last but not least, we have the JZX100 Mark II with a 1.5 JZ engine, VVTi. So 1.5 means it has a 1 JZ head and a 2 JZ bottom end. So it's actually a 3-litre engine. You get me? But yeah, this one's a lot more worked than that one, even though that one looks a lot better. You can see my JZX over there in the corner. But yeah, so this has a HX40 whole set turbo on it. You can see it's a really big boy in comparison to that one just there. And yeah, man, it has an aftermarket intake just there. I'm not sure if it's Plaza Man or Phoenix or whatnot. I don't quite remember. I'm not sure how much power this one's making. But yeah, this one has a full BN Sports kit. So it has the BN Sports front bumper, BN Sports front fender, BN Sports side skirt, BN Sports rear, so that's the door end, the quarter, just there, and BN Sports rear bumper there as well. So it's dope, fam. And of course, got the Series 2 tail lights just there. This one's nice. I like this one. I do like Mark IIs, you get me. So we got a Mark II, a Mark II, a Hilux, and a Chaser just there. But yeah, bruv, this one is looking nice. This one's also a street car. Has full interior as well. I'll just quickly open it up for you so you guys can see. I'll go in through the driver's side. But yeah, bruv. So this is a stock Tourer V, hence why it's got the triple headlights, which have actually been blacked out on the inside, which is quite nice. Yeah, bruv, has a Phoenix radiator, Phoenix intercooler, still has the AC in it as well. My car over there does not have AC because it's going to be like a drift car / street car. Yeah, bruv, this engine bay has been repainted as well into this similar sort of grey to this Chaser, but slightly different. Yeah, man, it's nice, bro. It's nice. Let's quickly open it up. Nice. So by the seats and the stitching, we can see this is a stock Series 2. So Series 2 comes with the Aztec print right here. So Aztec print on the seats and on the door cards. Still has the stock steering wheel. This was converted from automatic to manual, hence why this actual shifter surround is like a rectangle instead of like a square. You get me? And it's got the buttons here, whereas usually in the manual ones, factory manual ones, they have the buttons over here at the top. I think the swap was, I'm not sure if the swap was done here or done in Japan. I'm not sure. There's the factory cluster just there, but this one also has the Haltech on the dash too, which looks nice. So yeah, bruv, factory HIDs. Yeah, super nice. Ooh. So yeah, so that's the Series 2 seats and trim, which is the Aztec style. And I'll quickly show you what the Series 1 looks like. That's Series 1. Just a stripy pattern. Yeah, bruv. So nice, fam. Got some nice JZXs here at Genesis Performance, bruv. I just quickly spoke to Brad and he's showing me the new wheels that are gonna go on that wide body Mark II there. Let me show you, bro. Yo, look at these Meisters, bro. Oh my days. What are the specs on these, fam? So we got 10.5J -14, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And he's got a different pair of guards to go on the front too. Keep just in front. These came over from Australia. So go in the front of this one just here. And I just found out this car actually makes 440 kilowatts. The turbo and the intercooler is what's holding it back. So I was wrong. This actually makes less power than this car, even though this car has a 1.5J and that has a 1J. That's just fully forged. This one's crazy though, look at it. Like, this one is nuts. This one's wild, bro. So good. Some crazy JZX is being built here, bro. I can't wait to see what else he's got. I know he's got some more stuff. He's got some crazy American stuff as well. I'll show you a little tail light. May pique your fancy real quick. Zoom in right there. See that little tail light? That's all you get. That's all you get. We'll come back another day to film that stuff, you get me? But yeah, bro, in case you lot don't know, a lot of New Zealand's farmland. So there's like all farmland behind me, you get me? But yeah, these are the most JZXs I've seen in one place since I've got back to New Zealand. We have 3 here. One's mine and 2 are other customers. So I can't wait until those 2 cars are on the road so that we can do a street car review of this wide body Mark II and the 510 kilowatt JZX100 Chaser, bro. I can't wait to do a proper review on those. And we'll make sure and do a proper review of Brad's workshop, Genesis Performance, once he's tidied up a little bit. He said he doesn't want to show it on camera. But I wish I totally understand and respect. But yeah, bruv, you know what I'm saying? Your boy's still out here bringing you that JZX content, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bruv, hope you lot enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe, do all that jazz. And your boy will catch you next time. Cheers.